Hi, I'm Jason Leong and I'm a real estate broker. So I'm gonna show you the Macy model unit here in Avida settings. So come on, check it out. Samahan niyo ako dito sa standard total usable area ng Macy model. Hi, so this one, ang bubungad sa atin yung living room. So sa living room, as you can see, this is the recommended or suggested furniture appliances that you can put in this area. So as you can see, nandito yung mga window natin, panoramic windows to conserve energy and natural lights in the morning. So pagising natin umaga, baba tayo sa living area natin at magkakape. So nandito yung sofa, table, chairs, table rack, habang nanonood ng paborito nating palabas sa Netflix. So, in this side, this is the table area, no? Or dining area, which is seat chairs and very generous yung space no natin, dining natin. And this one is a kitchen. Included na rin dun yung underhead and overhead cabinets. And also, we suggest to put the range hood and electric cooktop. Ito yung recommended natin for this kitchen. And ang aircon natin, we recommend na steel type yung aircon. No? Sandyan yung yung mirror to maximize yung space, yung aesthetic ng area. So this is the lanay area. So open lang natin siya. So, depends on your preferences. You can pwede kang maglagay ng swimming pool, inflatable swimming pool, or outdoor table and chairs. No, so malaki pa yung magagawa natin dito sa area na to. So, doon naman tayo sa back. So, dito naman yung extended area natin. So, you can put the kitchen or dirty kitchen here. So, medyo maluwag pa yung area natin. So, doon naman tayo sa second floor. So, forgot to mention, no? So, we have storage area, and in front of that is the toilet and bath. So, it has sink, lavatory, shower. No? So, I recommend to get shower in here. We can go to the second level. So this is the second level. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. For this area, bubungad sa atin yung panoramic window and window as well to conserve energy and natural lights. Malaking matitipid natin. So, nandito yung toilet and bath. So, included is the sink, lavatory, and the shower as well. So, may extra window na rin po siya. So, doon naman tayo sa first room. So, the good thing on this area is family rooms. Like, kung may mga anak tayo, ito yung first room, no? May dalawang window na siya, provision for aircon. And also, you can put the single bed or double bed here. And wardrobe. And punta naman tayo sa another room, which is second room. Yung anak natin, medyo creative daw. So, pwede natin pagaya yung ganitong design. And may extra na rin siya. Window, provision for the window type aircon. And meron na rin dito na pwede nyong gayahin yung chairs, office chairs, or study chairs. And the last one, yung bedroom. So, this is the master's bedroom. Kasya yung yung queen size bed. So, very spacious yung master's natin. And may window type, window na rin and panoramic window. And provision for the window type aircon and wardrobe. If you have questions, clarifications, And this is my details. Hi guys, I'm Jason Leong. I'm a real estate broker and we're gonna show you our Trista model unit, 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. Come on, let's go. Check it out. Hi. So this is the Trista model unit, 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. So as you can see, this is the living room. So ito nakasama niya yung window natin, also the panoramic window. So the purpose of this windows, conserve energy and natural lights. So for this side naman po, dito yung dining set niya, yung dining area. So 6 chairs yung pwede natin accommodate. And also, ito naman po yung nanay natin, nanay area. So the good thing of this one is pwede tayo mag-extend ng area natin. So pwede tayo maglagay ng garden or swimming pools. So kung ano po yung preference natin pa pwede dito sa space natin for this lot area. So as you can see, generous spaces yung area. Kitchen. So you can see upgraded yung kitchen, but ang inclusion doon is yung underhead cabinet and overhead cabinet. So it is suggested for that range wood and electric tap. And this also kasama na din yung sink, kitchen sink, and yung cabinets as well. So punta naman tayo sa toilet and bath. Sa first toilet and bath, ito yung inclusion niya. So meron na tayong sink, lavatory, and shower. So ito na yung kasama, no? So mga kabahay, we go to the muna, sa back area. So, sa back area po, pwede tayo mag-extend ng for the kitchen, let's say pwede tayo mag-extend ng room or kitchen or this let's say dirty kitchen. Pwede tayong maglagay ng dirty kitchen dito for this area. It depends on your preferences. So punta naman po tayo sa second floor. So this is the second floor. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath, and also the panoramic window that conserve energy and for the natural lights as well. So this is the first room. So pag may mga chikiting or may diba? So malaki yung space for this room. So inclusion na din yung window type aircon and windows. So maliwalas yung place na to. Same time, pwede malagay ng office chairs and wardrobes. And punta naman tayo sa second room. So dito naman po tayo sa second room. Sa second room, as you can see, dito yung double deck. So yung anak natin, kung dalawa pa pwede po dito. Sa room na to, at yung office chairs, study table nila. At yung wardrobe as well. So, pwede natin ganyan. Kasama na rin yung window type, provision for window type aircon and yung window para maliwalas yung room. Then, we can go to the last room, which is a master's bedroom. For this master's bedroom, it's generous spaces because kasya yung queen size bed. And also, kasama na provision for the aircon, window type, and 3 window. Kasama yung panoramic window. So makakatipid tayo sa electricity. And also, yung mga side table na rin siya. So, itong room na to, ito yung master's bedroom natin. No? So, ito yung toilet and bath naman sa second floor. So, kasama niya, sink, lavatory, saka yung shower. So ito, suggested lang po ito yung ano natin, yung glass. Pero we delivered and fully finished kasi. So, kung nakikita natin, kasama na po yung tiles, yung finishing. So, if you want to check my other vlogs, to check my website, and see you for the next vlog.